we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this medication as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced medical terms too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is sold under the brand name Flajo, and it is also often used for dogs. How do you say it? You can pronounce it two different ways, either as metronidazole, which is probably the most common pronunciation, metronidazole, but it can also be pronounced as metronidazole, or not metronidazole, but metronidazole, or metronidazole. And now, you know, it is a confusing one indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.